And then strangely among the Mahayana, and not well understood in my humble opinion, are the Sukhavati Vyuha Sutras, or Pure Land, it's called, sutras. There will arise from these in China and then subsequently Korea and Japan a whole tradition based on the Sukhavati, possessing happiness. So it can be called happiness Buddhism, I think, more accurately than Pure Land Buddhism. But in these short texts, we find a religion of grace that we hadn't seen, and perhaps it's a Greek import. The idea that maybe I am a weak peasant, but I can call on the name of the cosmic Buddha Amitabha, whose vast consciousness upon my death can summon me to its pure realm possessing happiness, its pure land, and there I can train in comfort within its consciousness to become a fully awakened Buddha. So it becomes enormously popular among the peasants of China, Korea, Japan. Even Chairman Mao's mother believed this, and puts to rest the idea that Buddhism cannot be a religion of grace because there's nothing to do to get to the Pure Land except to think with sincerity and repetition, ideally, of the thought to enter the mind of Amitabha Buddha, whose name means immeasurable light awakening. So is it a person like a god or a state? I think with Buddhism we'll go with it is a state of being. Okay, another dimension in our universe, we could say.